Welcome to our video on in-text citations. For this video, I have 4 goals. 1, that you can define in-text citation and describe the difference between it and a source citation. 2, that you can identify when to use an in-text citation. 3, that you can identify which part of the source citation to use for your in-text citation. And 4, that you can format an in-text citation using correct punctuation and placement. Now that you know what I hope for you to learn, you might be asking, what is an in-text citation? Well, an in-text citation is when we take the first thing that appears on the left-hand margin of the source citation and place it in parentheses after the information we borrowed. In fact, can you find my in-text citation on this slide? You got it, Russell, right there. Well, when do you end up using an in-text citation anyway? You use an in-text citation when you summarize information from a source, paraphrase, or quote. Basically, whenever you borrow information from a source, you have to include an in-text citation. Well, you might be asking yourself, how do I do this myself? Let me walk you through how I did it for my definition slide. I began with my source citation. Here, I've included all the information someone would need to find that exact same source themselves. So step 1 for creating your in-text citation would be to find the first thing in the left-hand margin of the source citation. When you have an author, you're only going to use their last name, and when you have a title, you'll use the entire title, including the quotation marks. Here, I've got an author, so I'm only going to borrow their last name. In step 2, I'm going to place that information in parentheses after the information I've borrowed. So as you can see here, I have a quote, and I follow that up with my in-text citation, Russell. Step 3. If the citation comes at the end of a sentence, you need to place a period after the parentheses, right there. Let's review our video goals. So by the end of this video, I hope that you can now define an in-text citation and describe the difference between it and a source citation. I hope that you can identify when to use an in-text citation. I hope that you can identify which part of the source citation to use for your in-text citation. And finally, I hope that you can format an in-text citation using correct punctuation and placement. Thank you for watching this video.